welcome to Always Alyssa. So, you guys all know that holiday season is here and Christmas is right around the corner. So, I love Christmas. It is definitely by far my favorite holiday. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 10 favorite Christmas things. And as you can see, I am very festive. I have a Christmas headband and a Christmas sweater already. So these are in no particular order. It's just like, you know, my top 10. So it's not like worst to best kind of thing. It's just randomized. But one of my favorite decorations that I have in my room are my pillows on my bay window. So I'm going to show you that. This one is super cute. It's like Disney ornaments with little Mickeys and Minnies on them. And this one, it's usually like white and it has words on it, but I flipped it over to the gold side because it's more Christmassy, and I found this little bow in my closet, so I just tied it around and it looks super cute. And this adorable little bear holding a candy cane. And I also have these adorable little penguins. My second favorite Christmas thing is gonna have to be my favorite Christmas drink, which is hot chocolate, but I also really like apple cider. I can never really decide between the two because hot chocolate, if it's made right, is like super good. But then apple cider is also like really good. But this is one of my like all-time favorite hot chocolates. It's the Swiss Miss and it has a cute little fox. You know, I also really like peppermint hot chocolate. I don't know if you guys have tried that, but it's pretty good. I know they have like a caramel hot chocolate, which is interesting, like caramel mixed with chocolate. I don't know how that would be, but like marshmallow or peppermint is like super good, especially when you put a candy cane in the hot chocolate. Number 3, my favorite Christmas activity, which is decorating the Christmas tree. I mean, there's so many great activities to do during Christmas, even like, you know, receiving gifts or making my family gifts. All of that is a lot of fun, but I really like decorating the tree in particular. And we got a new tree this year, which is so exciting, so I'm going to show you guys right now. And look at some of the cute ornaments we have. I just love decorating the tree and putting a star. It's a lot of fun. So, number 4 on my list would have to be my favorite Christmas songs, which is like so important because there's so many and there's also so many good ones. So, I don't know, it's really hard to choose, but I do really like Candy Cane Lane, Silver Bells, that's a good classic one, I like it. And then I like Underneath the Tree, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. I really like Pentatonics, so I like some of their Christmas stuff too, like Hallelujah. I don't know if that's really Christmas. I mean, is it? I don't know. But I do like all of their Christmas songs that they do. Those ones are really good. I also like Snowman and Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy, but by Pentatonics. Oh yeah, one I almost forgot is Jingle Bell Rock. I mean, there truly are so many Christmas songs. It's really hard to pick favorites, but you guys are gonna have to comment and tell me your favorite Christmas song. Okay, for number 5, I have to show you guys this super cute sparkly dress that I have that is Christmas themed. This one is definitely my favorite, like, Christmas outfit. I mean, maybe I have to, but here it is. It's super fancy. It's so sparkly, right? It's just like me. It's like adorable little Christmas trees. I mean, just look how cute that is. I love it so much. Also, watch this. When I do this, I can make it all red so the trees will disappear. Or I can bring them back. So cool, right? I don't know if this one is as Christmassy, but it is red and gold, so I'm gonna say it is Christmas, and I really like this one too. It doesn't have sparkles on the back, but it does on the front, and this one's like sideways sparkles instead, so it's like a little different, but I really like the gold. I think it's pretty. I also do really like this sweatshirt I'm wearing. It's like the Disney Spirit jersey. These ones are really comfortable. Coming in for number 6, my favorite Christmas tradition. And this one's tricky because, again, there is a lot of good traditions, but I would say probably having a sleepover in my mom's room on Christmas Eve. That's always a lot of fun because we watch the holiday baking show, The Great Christmas Light Fight. I'm sure you guys have seen that show, but we're obsessed with that show whenever it comes to like Christmas Eve and like Christmas time. We always watch that one. Having a sleepover in my mom's room on Christmas Eve is super fun though, because one year we even set up like a mattress, but usually we'll just do like some blankets and then some pillows, and it's super comfortable. Number 7, this is a really good one. It's all of my favorite Christmas accessories, which one of them happens to be my headband that I'm wearing right now. This cute little flower Christmas, I don't know, Christmas headband. And you know, something else I really like to wear around Christmas is beanies because it doesn't get super cold in California. So when it does, I love to wear beanies. I also really enjoy stuff like bracelets and Christmas necklaces. So I'm going to show you my favorite Christmas earrings and my bracelet. I also really like wearing these cute little Christmas lights around Christmas time. Aren't they adorable? Here's some other beanies that I really like. I know they're not red or green like Christmas, but I do wear them on Christmas time because, like I said, it doesn't always get super cold here. I also do like wearing Christmas scarves a lot. The next thing on my list, number 8, is my awesome holiday fidget collection. You guys have to see this. These are all of my holiday fidgets. Aren't they all so cute? Look at this little reindeer. So cute, right? I also really like this Christmas tree. It's super satisfying. Look at this unique pop-it. I've never seen one like this before, and it's literally so cute. Look at these ones. They're all like super squishy. Look at that. They feel so neat. This one's my favorite. I also have some cute Hanukkah ones, and look, this one's a pen topper. Pop-its are literally so satisfying. I could do them all day. But now I have to do the other side. I almost got it. So close. Yes, I did it. Wait, no, I did it. Okay, for number 9, I'm going to show you guys my favorite Christmas decoration that we have in our entire house. This is my favorite decoration. It's an adorable snowman. I love it so much. And we actually got it for a really good deal. I really love Christmas decorations, especially that one, and just decorating our house is a lot of fun, and we've been getting a couple new decorations this year, and they're all super cute. I mean, decorations just make everything so much better. It puts you in the Christmas spirit. It's just awesome. Now, last but not least is my favorite Christmas food or meal. So this one's tricky, but I have to say I really like the traditional, almost like Thanksgiving type, but Christmas. I don't know how to explain it. But you know, like mashed potatoes and gravy, and then like you'll have apple cider or something. Like we usually either have sparkling cider or apple cider for a drink. So I really like that as part of our meal. And sometimes we do breakfast for dinner, like, you know, hash browns, pancakes, bacon, eggs, all that good stuff. Sometimes we do that instead of like a normal dinner. So we'll do breakfast for dinner on Christmas Day. So I really like that too. My other favorite foods that we always have on Christmas Day are like scalloped potatoes, or just any kind of potatoes because we make them in a lot of different ways, or sweet potatoes even. Let's see, what else? I'm trying to remember because it's been like so long since last Christmas. Oh, I remember my other 2 favorites. Cheese souffle, sometimes we have lasagna, or like carrot souffle. You guys are gonna have to comment and tell me if you guys have any cool Christmas traditions, like, I don't know. I've heard people have some really cool and interesting ones, so you guys are gonna have to tell me if you like eat any specific dinner on Christmas Day or what you guys do for that. I'm curious to know. But anyways, that concludes this list of my top 10 favorite Christmas things. Again, it is my favorite holiday. I really love it. So you guys are also gonna comment and tell me your favorite things about Christmas, if we have anything in common, especially if you guys like some of the same drinks as me, like the apple cider and the hot cocoa. Like those are my all-time favorite. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment and tell me your favorite Christmas things. Give me a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas!